Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the dock color on iPhone iOS 18.5. So iOS 18.5 gives you a neat way to change your iPhone dock color using the new home screen customize menu. No jailbreak required. So of course what you'll need to do first is simply enter the jiggle mode. You'll have to long press on any area on the home screen until the icon starts jiggling. Of course, it should be like a blank area. Once you are here, you'll have to click on Edit at the top right corner. Once you click on it, as you can see, you'll find Add Widgets, Customize and Edit Pages. Go and click on Customize. Once you click on Customize, as you can see, here you can go and you'll find, of course, lights, dark, automatic, and tinted, or you can, of course, in tinted, choose the colors that you want. As you can see, so you can set it to tinted if you want to set a specific color, as an example on the appearance tab, and you'll be able to pick your tints. So you can use basically this top slider to choose the hue or the color, and here basically you can use this bottom one to choose like the brightness, saturation of it. And yeah, so once you choose the one that suits your needs, let's say an example something like that, you can just go and click on any other empty space, and as you can see, the dock will be changed forever until you change it again. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.